Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Julia development. Codeium's AI powered features can enhance your Julia programming with smart code suggestions and completions. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Julia project, or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write Julia code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your Julia file, helping you code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Julia programming such as numerical computing, data analysis, and algorithm implementation. It offers intelligent suggestions based on Julia best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a function or a data manipulation command, Codeium will suggest completions for functions, arguments, and implementation details, making it easier to write well-structured Julia code. Codeium also supports Julia-specific features like array operations, package management, and visualization. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling these features effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for Julia, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language-specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your Julia code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Julia code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing and data validation. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Julia development. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Julia code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.